You have taken over my daily. I wanna live so ordinarily. I wanted to forget about you. It's true.